there's something inside that Patriot camper that could change everything. Starlink, a literal game changer when it comes to off-road and overland communication and connectivity. This is going to change everything, and we're going to open it up right here today. So the question arises, up until now, how did overlanders upload their photos, videos, and do blogs online? Well, a simple answer would be they either didn't, or they would run into town and use a Wi-Fi hotspot, which is inconvenient to say the least, or they would have a cell hotspot like this. Now this has been nice, and combined with a multi-in, multi-out antenna like this, you can increase your range to just beyond line of sight with the cell tower. And this is nice because it's allowed you to get a little bit further away from civilization when trying to do your work or upload photos and videos. But it's still not the solution that we've all been looking for. So today, we're gonna open this box up right here and find out what's inside. It's so bright. All right. So that's off. Nice. All right, so here we get to the guts of the box, and got this nice stand. It's fairly small, and it looks like you've got points to mount it. You could probably use tent pegs or something like that as well if you wanted to secure it to the ground. This centerpiece is grooved, so the dish will only go in one way. Also probably another feature to keep it from moving around. Now, of course, once you pull it out of the box, you'll find a placard. And beyond the placard, then you have the long cable. So inside you have the dish and a long cable. And this is a pretty decent sized dish. It's got a little bit of weight to it, but I would say that this is probably still a size that's easily portable. Just got to find a good place to store it. All right, so the dish, nice placard with instructions on it. And lastly, there's this. This is the main modem router, whatever you want to call it, unit for it, and it comes with the power cable. So it appears that with this groove, it just sits right down in there, and it snaps into place. So ultimately, this is not that big. I think this could easily be tossed inside probably a Pelican case or something like that to keep it secure. And this could very well be the solution that we've all been looking for overlanding especially. Now, this does run off of 110, and at least at this point, I don't know of any other solution for that. But what's nice about the Patriot camper is I've got an inverter. So over the coming months, we're probably going to run some tests on this to see how much power it actually consumes off of the trailer batteries and using a power inverter to see if it is an actual viable solution to connectivity when living and working off-grid. So is Starlink the solution we've all been looking for? Well, the jury's still out on that. We still don't know how much power it's going to consume, whether it has good connectivity in some of these off-grid locations in the forest and whatnot. But we're going to be testing this out over the next coming months and year, and we'll give you updates along the way. Thanks for watching. This is the first time we've done anything like this, so if you like what you saw here, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We've got more great content on the way, so stand by for that. And if you're still looking for more to watch, don't forget to check this out right here. Thanks for watching.